Welcome back, everyone. How have you guys been? I've been a little busy with classes and also getting this video ready for you guys. What you're looking at is me showing you some little items that I picked up from my local dollar store here. I'm sure you guys can get these things from Dollar General or Family Dollar or even Walmart maybe. They're pretty inexpensive pieces that I thought I could turn into some coffee table or console table accessories. These vases that I'm showing you guys are thrifted. I believe I paid like 330 yen, which is $3.30 US. And you guys, you want to stay tuned to see how I transform these things into some really nice high-end look. At least high-end in my opinion. You guys can tell me in the comment section down below how you think they turned out at the end. Anyway, so very easy DIYs. As you can see, this box here, I'm just gonna paint it into the color black because that's the color that I'm using in my home now, just neutral. So while you guys watch me do that, I want to take the time to welcome back every single one of my subscribers. Listen, y'all know how I feel about you guys. Thank y'all so much for always clicking on my video and showing me your support. Also, you guys, I am super excited because my last video, the spring refresh video that I did, is doing its thing. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am elated. Anyways, thank y'all for the support. It's because of you guys why people are seeing it. And I also want to welcome my new subscribers. I see I have a few new subscribers. Welcome to my channel, you guys. On this channel, I do home decor and DIY accessories for my home. And a little bit of lifestyle video will be coming. I am also new here on YouTube, so I don't have a lot of content yet, but I'm working on building that up. So I really appreciate you guys joining me on this journey. But with that being said, if you are watching this video and you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate the support. I'm not gonna talk through this entire video because I want you guys to enjoy these quick little DIYs, and also stay tuned for a quick little dinner run hubby and I made. And at the end, you'll see how I use these pieces to decorate my space. Okay, you guys, so enjoy. What's up, you guys? It is officially the weekend. It is Friday evening. Hubby just got off work. We're gonna go grab some dinner, and I decided to take y'all with me. Don't mind my face, no makeup, no nothing, but it's all good. It's a no makeup kind of day. But come along. I don't know. I think we're gonna get some, I don't know, pasta or something. We'll figure it out when we get there. But come on, y'all. Let's go grab something to eat, some food. All right. See you there. I'm back, and I wanted to pop in to kind of explain where I got some of these items that you're seeing, or the ones that I'll be using to decorate the space with. Okay, so first is that vase. That was a vase that I had for a long time that I decided to give a fresh look, so I painted it the colors that you're seeing, and I thought it turned out really nice. Those stems are from Amazon. This book is also from Amazon. The one that I'm showing you now is actually a box that looks like a book. I got it from a local store here. And here's the elephant that I DIY'd earlier. And this vase also you saw me doing in the video earlier on. These candle holders, these are from Amazon. They came in a set of 3. I really like the sleekness of them. I had them on the coffee table, but I decided to use them on the silver table this time. These are just some tapered candles. You can find them anywhere. I got them from a local convenience store here. And this is how this part of the decorating turned out. Those lamps that you're seeing in the background, those are also from Amazon. I can't really remember how much I paid for them, but I'm pretty sure they were affordable. And here is the final look of the sulfur table. Really nice, really fresh, simple but elegant. And I really like how everything is looking. Okay, so now we're moving over to the couch, and my couch came from Ashley's Furniture. It came with about 9 cushion inserts, and they're actually feathered down, which means they can do that karate chop that makes your sofa look like it's been styled by a designer, which I absolutely love. And the pillow covers that you're looking at, I actually got those from Amazon as well. So I have the original inserts from Ashley's Furniture that came with the couch, but the covers are from Amazon, and they're really good quality, you guys. They seem to be holding up pretty well. I like the feel of them. They're soft, but they're durable. I actually did an Amazon haul a few weeks ago, so please go ahead and check that video out, and you will see some of the items that I'm using today in that haul. Okay, now that I like how all the cushions are arranged on the sofa, I'm gonna go ahead and put this throw over the chase. You guys may remember that I had a basket in front of this table. I removed that basket. I didn't want to, over decorate the space. And this vase was on top of the table. And the one that I'm gonna put on top, this one right here, this was under the bottom. Just that subtle change, in my opinion, made a huge difference. Those stems, they are from Amazon. They came in a set of 3, and I'm loving how they're bringing the spring vibe to the space. They just add a touch of softness, and I'm really liking the airy feel. Here's another one of my favorite throw, and again, I'm just gonna add it here. And if you guys can also remember, the white throw was on this side, and this blue throw was over by the chase. Anyways, here's another quick look of the space before I start styling the coffee tables. All right, you guys, we're almost to the end. Here is the larger size tray to the smaller one that I mentioned a minute ago. It came in a set of 2 from Amazon. In fact, everything on this coffee table is going to be from Amazon except the ones that you saw me make over. And also this bowl came from a local store. Everything else is going to be from Amazon. So before I go, I want to remind you guys, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you're liking what you see. If you can, please share so that other people are aware of this channel and can join the community. I want to thank y'all for hanging in there. Thank y'all for liking, sharing, supporting everything that you guys do. I really appreciate it, and I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I also want to remind you guys to turn on those notification bells so you'll be notified every single time I upload. Look out for my upcoming videos. I really wanted to do a hallway refresh, but I've ordered a console table from Amazon and they lost my order. I have no idea when it'll be here, but I'm trying to rectify it, and as soon as that's solved, I will bring that video to you. For my next video, however, I think I'm gonna do Easter decorate with me, so look out for that one. I want to start getting in the mood of Easter time. So without further ado, you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below, let me know what you like about the video. Also make some suggestions. What kind of content would you like for me to bring to you? Do you want me to do more lifestyle or more decorating? Comment down below, let me know what you would like to see from me, and I'll try my best to make that happen. All right, you guys, you know me, I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video. So until next time, later.